Writing an article.
Hi, Anna. What are you doing?
Hi, Tom. I am writing an article.
Really? What is your article about?
It is about healthy food and a healthy lifestyle.
That sounds good. Why do you write about this topic?
Because many people eat fast food and do not eat vegetables.
Yes, that is true. What do you write in your article?
I write about fruits, vegetables, and drinking water.
Do you give some examples of healthy food?
Yes, I write about apples, bananas, carrots, and salad.
Nice. Do you also write about junk food?
Yes, I write about sweets, chips, and fast food.
Good idea. Do you write about exercise too?
Yes, I do. I write that people should walk and do sport.
That is important. Do you think people will like your article?
I hope so. I try to write in a simple way.
Who was your article for?
It is for everyone who wants to improve their health.
Great. When do you finish it?
I finish it this evening.
Do you need any help?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
No problem. Good luck with your article.
Thank you, Tom.
Job interview. Journalist.
Hello, please come in.
Hello, thank you.
My name's John. I'm the hiring manager.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
You applied for the journalist position.
Yes, I do.
Why do you want to change your job?
I saw your offer online. The pay is higher and I want new experience.
I understand. Where do you work now?
I work for a small local newspaper.
What do you do there?
I write short articles and sometimes interviews.
What topics do you usually cover?
Local news, events, and people.
Do you like this type of work?
Yes, but I want something bigger.
Our newsroom is quite busy.
That's okay. I like busy work.
Can you work with deadlines?
Yes, I can. I always finish on time.
Do you also take photos?
Yes, sometimes. I'm not a professional, but I can do it.
That's useful. This job also includes some weekend work. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Can you travel for interviews?
Yes, I can. I don't mind.
When can you start?
I can start next month.
Good.
Can I also ask about the salary? Is it the same as on your website?
Yes, it is. It's $22 per hour. Is that okay for you?
Yes, it is.
Great. We also offer free snacks for employees.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
We will contact you tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Job talk. Missing information in article. Hello, Emma. Please come in.
Hello. Thank you.
I read your article.
Yes?
It is good, but there is a problem.
Oh, what is it?
You forgot one important detail.
Oh no. What detail?
The date of the event.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot it.
It is important.
Yes, I understand.
Can you fix it?
Yes, I can. I will fix it today.
Good. Also, you did not add the location.
Oh, I forgot that too. Sorry.
It is okay, but please check next time.
Yes, I will check everything.
Do you have the correct information now?
Yes, I will add the date and the location.
Good. Send it again when it is ready.
Okay, I will send it again.
Thank you.
Thank you. An interview. Hello. Thank you for meeting with me. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello. My name is Mark. I am a firefighter in this city.
How long have you worked as a firefighter?
I have worked as a firefighter for 8 years.
Why did you choose this job?
I chose this job because I want to help people. I also like action and teamwork.
What do you do in your daily work?
Every day, we train, check our equipment, and stay ready for emergencies.
What kind of emergencies do you have?
We have fires, car accidents, and sometimes we help people in their homes.
Is your job dangerous?
Yes, it can be very dangerous. Fire and smoke are not safe.
How do you stay safe?
We use special clothes and equipment. We also work as a team.
What do you like most about your job?
I like helping people and saving lives. It gives me a lot of satisfaction.
What is the hardest part of your job?
The hardest part is stress and long hours. Sometimes the situations are very serious.
Do you work at night?
Yes, we work day and night. We often have long shifts.
Do you have free time?
Yes, but not every day. When I am free, I rest and spend time with my family.
What skills are important in your job?
You need to be strong, calm, and brave. Teamwork is also very important.
Can anyone become a firefighter?
You need training and good health. It is not an easy job.
What advice do you have for young people who want this job?
Study, stay healthy, and be ready to help others.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. Newspaper work. Teamwork on article. Hi, Anna. Do you have a moment?
Hi, Tom. Yes, I have some time. What do you need?
We need to choose a topic for our article. The deadline is next week.
Yes, I remember. We should decide today. Do you have any ideas?
Maybe we can write about travel. Many people like to read about trips.
That's true, but I think it is a very popular topic. Many articles are about travel.
You're right. We need something interesting and a bit different.
What about food? People always enjoy reading about food.
Yes, that's a good idea. We can write about restaurants in our city.
I like it. We can visit some places and describe the food.
And we can take photos of the meals. It will look nice in the article.
Exactly. Do we want to write about expensive restaurants or cheap ones?
I think cheap restaurants are better. Many people look for good food at a low price.
Yes, students and young people will like that.
We can choose 3 or 4 places, not too many.
Good plan. We can also talk to the owners or the cooks.
Oh, that's a great idea. It will make the article more interesting.
Yes, we can ask simple questions about their food and work.
Do you want to focus on one type of food, like Italian or Asian?
Maybe different types. It will give more variety.
True. One Italian place, one Asian, and maybe a local cafe.
Perfect. When can we start?
We can go tomorrow after work.
Okay, I am free in the afternoon.
Great. I will bring my camera.
And I will prepare some questions.
Sounds like a plan. I think this article will be very good.
Yes, I think so too.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
See you, Tom.
Coffee break. Work talk. Hey, do you want coffee?
Yes, please. Black coffee.
Here you are.
Thank you.
How is your day?
It is okay. A bit busy. And you?
I'm happy today.
Oh, why?
I'm going to New York for an interview.
Wow, really? That's great.
Yes, I'm very excited.
When are you going?
Next week, on Monday.
Is it a big interview?
Yes, it is with a famous actor.
That sounds amazing.
I know. It is a big opportunity.
Are you nervous?
A little, yes, but I'm happy.
That's normal.
I need to prepare questions.
Yes, good idea.
Have you ever been to New York?
No, never.
It is a great city, very busy.
I want to go there one day.
You should.
Maybe next year.
I will take many notes there.
Good.
I will also take photos.
Nice.
I hope it will go well.
I'm sure it will.
Thanks.
You're welcome.